Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are studying well at home. Today we will be revising our three topics of nature study. Okay? The first topic was the moon, sun, and season. These are the three topics of nature study. Today we will only do our revision of all the three topics. But before starting, we will do our prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes and repeat the prayer after me. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play, and prayer, so that teachers and thought learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Now we will start. You all have to repeat after teacher. Moon. We see the moon in the sky during the night. We see the moon in the sky during the night. It changes its shape every day. It changes its shape every day. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light received from the sun. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light received from the sun. We see a full moon once in a month. We see a full moon once in a month. Okay, so I had taught you that we can see the moon in the sky during the night, yes or no? Because in the daytime there is sun, yes, and as the sun goes, moon comes out. In the start, when the moon comes, it is very thin. But as the time passes, the moon grows slowly. And in the end, we can see a full moon. Yes or no? You all have seen it. जब स्टार्ट में मून बाहर आता है तो वो कितना पतला होता है ना, एंड देन स्लोली वो बड़ा होता है. यस, और फिर हम लोगों को स्काई में देखने मिलता है अ फुल मून. यस और नो? नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट सन. व्हाट इज the sun? The sun is a bright round star. What is the sun? The sun is a bright round star. From which side the sun rises? Do you all remember? It was the east side. Okay, so from the east side the sun comes out. And what happens when the sun come out? There is a beautiful morning. Yes or no? When you get up and you see the sun, you come to know now it is morning. When and where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning in the east. The sun rises in the morning in the east. Now you all tell me, what are the two things that sun gives us? Yes, the sun gives us light and it gives us heat. What does the sun gives us? The sun gives us light and heat. What does the sun gives us? The sun gives us light and heat. Now, once the sun is raised, which side it goes and sets? And what happens when the sun is gone? Yes, it sets in the west side. And when the sun sets, when the sun is gone, we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. Yes or no? When and where does the sun set? The sun sets in the evening in the west. When and where does the sun set? The sun sets in the evening in the west. When the sun is set, what happens? It becomes dark, yes or no? And when the moon comes out, we come to know now it is the night time. Yes or no? What happens when the sun set? When the sun sets, it becomes night. When what happened when the sun set? When the sun sets, it becomes night. Okay, so we are done with two topics, moon and sun. Now we will start season. So do you all remember how many seasons do we have in our country? Yes, in our country there are 3 different seasons. Okay, and in which country do you live in? We live in India. So in India, we have 3 seasons. I had taught you from which month to which month we have the summer season. Do you all remember? Very good. So now we will start with season. How many seasons do we have in our country? In our country, there are 3 seasons. They are the summer season, the monsoon season, and the winter season. How many seasons do we have in our country? In our country, there are 3 seasons. They are the summer season, the monsoon season, and the winter season. So, summer season is known as Garmi ka season. Yes, the monsoon season is known as Barish ka season. And the winter season is known as Thandi ka season. Okay, so according to the season, we use things. Yes or no? जब समर सीजन स्टार्ट होता है तो हम लोग जब बाहर निकलते हैं तो हम लोग छतरी लेके निकलते हैं. Yes or no? मम्मी हम लोग को कैप पहनाती है. Yes or no? क्यों पहनाती है? क्योंकि धूप ज़्यादा होती है तो हम लोग को अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना होता है धूप से. Yes? In the monsoon season also we use umbrellas. We wear raincoats. Why we use umbrellas and why we wear raincoats? To protect ourselves from getting wet. Yes? और जब विंटर सीज़न स्टार्ट हो जाता है मतलब जब ठंडी का सीज़न स्टार्ट हो जाता है तो मम्मी हम लोग को स्वेटर पहनाती है मॉर्निंग में जब हम लोग स्कूल आते हैं. येस और नो? क्यों पहनाती है मम्मी हम लोग को स्वेटर? बिकॉज हम लोग को ठंडी ना लगे. यस, हम लोग बीमार ना पड़ जाए इसीलिए मम्मी हम लोग को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए स्वेटर पहना के बेचती है. यस और नो? व्हेन डू वी हैव द 3 season? We have the summer season from February to May. The monsoon season from June to September. And the winter season from October to January. When do we have the 3 season? We have the summer season from February to May. The monsoon season from June to September. And the winter season from October to January. ये ओके. सो गर्मी कब स्टार्ट होती है? फेब से लेके मई तक गर्मी होती है. ओके, जब मई फिनिश हो जाता है और कौन सा मंथ स्टार्ट होता है मई के बाद? जून. सो फ्रॉम जून टू सितंबर वी हैव द रेनी सीजन. Monsoon season means we have the rainy season. And from October to January we have the winter season. Yes, so all the seasons are divided in all the months. So we are done with the revision. You all have to study very nicely. Okay, thank you.